My name is Douglas Stewart, and I work for JSC One.
Why is it important to mobilize private investments for biodiversity?
Most investment has been coming from the public sector, from governments all over the world, and we know that governments all over the world have got huge debt and huge commitments. Whereas the private sector in terms of investments are probably worth about 7 times public sector investments. So there's an enormous pool of money, of finance, of capital. If that's not used, and if it's not tapped into and applied to helping to save biodiversity and incentivize the reversal of biodiversity loss, then we are missing the biggest resources that are available to tackle the problem. So without it, I would say the mission is doomed.